Hey everybody, did you know that you no longer have to record videos and upload them onto YouTube? You can create your videos directly from the Take Lessons platform. And in case you missed this awesome new feature, let me give you a quick demo. So, all that you have to do is log into your tutor account and head off to your profile tab. In your profile, go to the photos and videos section and click on add video. Over there, you'll be able to see two options, that for adding your YouTube video links and that for recording a video within your browser. So you'll get the screen, which is much like the flip camera, only with a few differences. Let me quickly walk you through the different features, starting from the bottom. So right here at the just under the center record button, you have two options for video and audio. For times when you want to record the complete video, or if you're having a bad hair day, okay, you just want to record your audio message. Then up here towards the right hand side, you have four different options, that for text, for raw, for backdrop, and photo. Let's look into each of them separately. So the text tool allows you to select your font, and after you've selected your font, okay, let me quickly type my name over here. After you've selected your font, you can change the color of the text. Okay, whatever you've written, you can also change the color of the stroke as well as the backdrop. In addition to that, you could align your text. It can be left aligned, it can be center aligned, or it can be right aligned. Under that, you have the option for drawing, and just like all drawing tools, you have the option for selecting the color as well as the thickness of your pen. Now, again, this works best if you've got a pen tab, or you've got a touchscreen, or you're very proficient in using your mouse, and it comes in super handy for writing math equations, for writing math formula, chemical equations, or even for labeling. Third, we have the backdrop, and this allows you to choose whether you want to have no backdrop at all, like I have right now, or you can choose to upload a photo or a video as a backdrop. Again, you have an option of using your screen as a backdrop if you prefer that, or in case you have a busy backdrop and you want to simply blur it, or you want the focus to be completely on you, okay, you can use the fourth option, which is to use background blur as backdrop. Okay, for now, I'm going to clear the backdrop and head off to the next of the to the last of the four features that we have, that is for uploading photos. Again, this comes in very useful if you want to upload photos or worksheets for labeling diagrams, or even for sharing a worksheet that you want to solve in front of students. So that is all about the features that you have on the right hand side. Let's now move to the top. Over here, you've got three different options available. The first one is for adding sticky notes. And this comes in useful if you want to organize your thoughts before you hit the record button. And the best part is that you can have as many sticky notes as you want, and you can place them anywhere you want on the screen, and they won't be recorded. After that, you have the option of mirroring your video. So whether you want me to be like this or you want me to be like this, you have that option. And the third option that we have is the three dots, under which you have so many other options available, so many other features available. The first one is when you want to go mute. Okay, so if you're doing a screen recording and you wouldn't want anything from your surrounding being recorded, okay, you can choose to be mute. After that, you have your record screen, and then my favorite, teleprompter. Why do I say it's my favorite? It comes in very handy if you are recording an introductory video. So let's click on that and see what will come up. Okay, you'll get this screen. Okay, let me quickly get rid of these. And all that you need to now do is to paste your script over here. Uh, I have already generated my script from using Bing. And in case you wanted to find out, okay, how you can do that, I'll drop a link to the video which shows how I did that in the description section. Um, okay, like I said, over here, I'm simply going to drop my script. Let's quickly do that. And once you've done that, you can increase and decrease the size of the font. Okay, so you can decrease the size, you can increase the size, and you can also change the speed with which the teleprompter is running. Okay, so let me move to the top, or the center over here, and let's hit the play button. Okay, this is the speed. Okay, I find it pretty fast. Okay, let me reduce it slightly. This is better. And let's decrease the size of the font as well. Okay, so this is how it turns up. Now it's time to put all of these things together and go ahead and create our first introductory video. So for doing that, the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to give myself a backdrop. Okay, so click on the backdrop button which is there on the right hand side, and I'm going to upload a video that I have saved on my system. Okay, so done that. Since I want to introduce myself as a bio teacher, I've selected something which is related to that topic. You could do that as well. Now you would notice that once I select the backdrop, okay, I have the option of moving myself towards the left hand side, towards the right hand side, or right there in the center. Now, with that selected, I want to change the text. I want to change the font. So let's change it to, let me add, okay, my name is already there. Let me add my subject. Okay, so let's say I'm going to add biology and which grade I would like to teach. I'm going to have it middle school. Okay, let me put this, let me put this on top. Okay, okay. So that is done. And I can align it as well. Okay, let's do this. Done. Yes, I would also want to change the color. Okay, so let's pick up something which is there from the backdrop. Get Click on the color picker tool, and this looks fantastic. And let's change the color of the font as well. Ah, quite like this one. Let's move this towards the side. Now I would want to add a fun element to this video, and for that I'm going to add a fun that I've downloaded. Okay, so I'm going to drag that over here, something related to biology, and it's there. Okay, I've adjusted it. Now it's time to add my script. Okay, like I said, I've already generated the script using Bing, and over here I'm simply going to copy it. Okay, so let's open the teleprompter. Done. Oh, I forgot I had already pasted it out over here. Let's reduce the size of the font, and we have everything ready. Let's check the speed. This looks good. So done. And once you're done that, you're ready to hit the record button. Okay, so you can see over here, you have the option that should you like, okay, you could even download this video. You can change the playback speed, and you can play it picture within picture as well. Okay, so for now, I'm going to download this video with me, and I'm also going to save it. So it's going to take some time for it to be uploaded. So please be patient, and once it's done, okay, it will show up over here. If you found this video useful and you are able to create your own introductory videos, drop the link in the chat. For more updates, you can hit the subscribe button. And that's a wrap from us till we meet in the next video. Bye for now.